25 actionable way to make money with Bitcoin in 2022. 1. Learn about cryptocurrency. Do you know that you can make money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies just by learning how they work, how their price is determined, on which platform to buy and sell Bitcoin etc. Knowledge is power, and it is truer than ever with cryptocurrency. But learning doesn't need to be tedious and confusing with only the promise of earning Bitcoin and cryptocurrency sometime in the distant future. For instance, Coinbase, the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the world, offered the following brilliant incentive for its member. 2. Number 2. Surf the web with Brave. What is Brave? Well, if you sign up for Coinbase Earn, you might already know Coinbase Earn has a short course about Brave and its very own cryptocurrency token. But so how do you make money with Bitcoin using Brave? 3. Make money with Bitcoin affiliate program. Affiliate program are a simple concept. Website pay you commission for referring customer to them. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency affiliate program will naturally offer to pay you in BTC, and that is one of the way to earn Bitcoin. So how can you earn money in Bitcoin? Join such program. If you have blog, YouTube channel, or other social media account, join a crypto affiliate program and share your link. Boom of the race. If you don't produce content, then share your link with your friend, family, and post them whatever you can. You will be earning Bitcoin and showing them that they too can. I earn. How to make money with Bitcoin? Get started by visiting the following site offering affiliate program. Number 4. Work in the Bitcoin industry. Work in the Bitcoin industry goes beyond just mandatory value. There is no better way learn how to make money with Bitcoin than by working with Bitcoin. The cost there is their discipline. If you take the time understand crypto and then translate your express to cryptocurrency industry, then your skill will be high demand among the freelance and technology work. 5. Number 5. Invest in Bitcoin. Purpose and is it too less stressful? Answer the question how to make money with Bitcoin is to buy some BTC or just a few bit of BTC and hold them. Even people who bought every 80 is most often time will make money. Bitcoin peak 32 2020 2011 to 260 in 2012, 1030 in 2013, and unish of course 90k in 2007. After its peak, BTC saw a big correction. It true, but for the people who held on, they were cash out next cycle. That's where platform come from. Hold on, buying, holding fairly is a business. You don't need to learn code in the Bitcoin. Hold it. 6. Earn fast deposit bonus. 7. Make money with Bitcoin lending. 8. Make money with Bitcoin trading. Number 9, make money with Bitcoin gaming. Number 10, make money with Bitcoin mining. Miners are arguably most integral part of digital blockchain network. Beware mining rates and thousands more running business increase electricity and signature